Now, look at the screen in front of you. It's Jahshii, and that's what it say. Now, the Dan for grand spend slap with Jahshii brother. Now it's equal. And that's the way me feel. Me I go talk about it. Let's go.
We pledge ourselves
Others lose ya.
to liberate all our people from the continuing bondage of poverty.
Greatness we say. The whole world in a crisis. Man a move like Taliban and a ISIS. At the end of the day, at the night and the dark, Jamaica bring back the niceness. It's a for all of me dogs in the streets and the road is a crunch time, crunch time. I go so hard on the lane and the main feel the pain and it's tough time, tough time. All who they a won't post on the tear and the other face tough time.
That's what it.
Just roll up your bed and a nothing for your giant, them your rough time.
Simple thing to a giant.
Life is a delicate subject and a predicate. Badness not elevate, fuck a lot of delegate. Mama say never the fret, youths now we say intellect. Mistake which I correct, live life with no regret. The ladder of success we feature. Life prison don't give me the visa. We don't reach jailhouse man a star and clean. And the dirty might have but we clean.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And click on another video. I want to big up all of the massive. Big up the crew down in Jamaica. Big up the crew down in St. Vincent. You understand? I want to big up everybody. I want to big up the Trinidad crew. You understand? Me have some things that come up on Prezi. Now, Trinidad our really crazy place, and me have a series of video to talk about Trinidad. But let's go into this. Well, I did some research and did some deep digging into really what's going on with Jahshii, because you see, them killed his brother. You understand? Over there in a grand spend. And from what my intel them a tell me, it's, you see Jahshii, you cannot war with Pokey, because Pokey are him are the done for grand spend. And like me say, from when me are here with my intel, you know Rev, me do a video for Rev The 90s down there, and he's in Jamaica. You know, so Rev is a big timer. You hear all the artists them big up Rev. You understand? So, like me say, Jahshii, this is a war where you can't win, cause you can't beat them man there. You have to put on the violence. And may I tell you some other things, Jahshii. You see, you get the gift for write music, and that you for focus on. You understand? You see, sometimes me know ego play a part in our life, but you can't make ego run your life. You have to know how to control yourself as a man coming up. You understand? Now, when you hear me talk about Pokey, and you see Pokey, him come from a crew where a youth named Sean Ford, and you know say Sean Ford used to run grand spend. Now, look at the screen in front of you. This is an artist named Dan Chorus, and him out of St. Lucia. Alright, you see that youth here are the baddest thing right now in the Caribbean. You understand? Them a talk about this, them a talk about that. You see that youth here are the next rising star. Him do enough collaboration with enough of the Trinidad artists them. You understand? Him have all music where him do with Byron Messiah. We not drop yet. You understand? People, I want to know, check out the artist video and then go back into the Jahshii video. And I want to know say this artist is open for bookings. So if you want to contact Dan Chorus, you can call me at the number on the screen and I will make the link for you. If you want Dan Chorus to perform for your event anywhere in the world, in the Caribbean, link the number on the screen and I will make it happen. Now sit back and listen his new video. This one is called Killer Convo by Dan Chorus, the latest single in drop. Sit back and watch this video, and like me say, after the video, go right back into the Jahshii video. Respect. Watch the video. Countryman.
Waves on the track.
Real killer convo, bless you. Like ears if you don't know. Phone a ring up, so the killer answer. A long time we feeling up. Real top killer where we ride or die. Pon a nigga anytime you no give fucks. Hardcore like England breeze. Style dark and tint up. And from a boy violate my youth. Somebody a go dead when the thing goes. Yo killer.
Yo man,
Bad bro.
how that chorus? Yo, me you a go on, me shoulda call you.
Me did a pray fi go call too. Right now my dog them ready fi go all out.
Proof for me say the word me a go march out. Circle them ends my walk can't talk out. Woulda step to them like walk through. You fi say the word dog, tell me what you want do. I know nothing hard fi them get sort out, bro. Just tell me what you want now.
Alright then, I want you put chips on the blocks. Right now all of my dogs sick on the block. Even at school you do the maths and tell me the pussy them no equally bad.
True, them pussy take bad man fi fool. Them can't defend money my crew. My sicker than flow, our guns got proof.
Alright dog, ready when you're ready. If you got shots for the 12 gauge, send it. I got a 12 gauge flame Freddy. From the war start, me want blood that steady. Upon my time, could a night time. From a bucket at the right time, pussy going die. In pharmacy, I'm pretending blind. Anytime that dog, that pussy get fired.
I got thought car we tint up. From you say forward, them take from we link up. I coulda tell that you ready from the intro. Bro, mount of crimes that we been through. Yo, anything we want, dog. Decide, you know say I'm a brother. I make no boy violate and feel like them do this feeling and get off. You hear me? I mean this them dead. Not like that.
Any boy we feel them could rise up against if he get a shot. Killer Convo, Volume 1, Dan Chorus. Yes, right.
And after Sean Ford drop out, then Pokey step up. So Jahshii, may I tell you, you see this thing here, it's bigger than you. What me I gonna say to the youth them, and what me I gonna say to the artists them, you cannot be Vybz Kartel. Cause when you see Vybz Kartel was able to navigate the music and the badman thing, and it was successful for a period of time, but you see where Vybz Kartel is. So me I tell the youth them to stop emulate Vybz Kartel and be your own self and be your own man. Because the emulation of Vybz Kartel trying to be somebody else, it's what's causing this kind of mentality. Now I remember one time Vybz Kartel said him is Jamaican, Michael Jackson. So it kind of shows you the mentality of Kartel. Very smart guy, brilliant, genius, but at the same time, that don't mean he make the right decisions when he is doing his thing. You understand? I'ma just have to be honest about that. So, Jahshii, little recap before me leave. Your brother get fling by, you call this equal, cut and run. Lift up your family them from out of Grand Spain. Focus on your music and try and be the best you can be. Now, me know as an artist, you have to have your crew. And me feel like, this is just my opinion, that the killing we're going with the Don brother, I feel like you didn't have anything to do with it, but you have the guys them around you. You need to let go the waste man them and have some man that really want to reach somewhere, because the waste man them are going to make you get caught up all the time. Them are want to do things and can't follow order. You need order in your thing, so you have to have some order. It doesn't matter what anybody say. This world have to run with order. You understand? If you didn't have America, you would probably have rogue nations. You ever watch some movie where Hitler start run the world and them thing there? So you have to have order in everywhere. If not, we would have anarchy. That's something we have to live with on this planet. I want the people them understand that without order, in any shape or form, we would have anarchy. You understand? Every country would have nuclear weapon. Every country would have want this, that. So we have to have some kind of order. And that's just how it is. Now, Jahshii, like me said, pick up your family, leave Grand Spain alone, and move on. You can't war with the 90s man them. Cause the youth them we are linking a Grand Spain. Them are link with Pokey. Pokey link with Rev. And that's all I have to say about this. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And click on another video. I'm out. Peace.